let us go straight to the business of this evening. I would request our Honorable Health Minister to update us the positive cases that we have till this moment in the state of Meghalaya.
Today we are having 28 active cases, the positive cases. Today, East Castles 21, Riboy 5, and West Gentile Hills 2. So the total active cases in the state of Meghalaya we have at present 633. The breakup is like this. The breakup for East Castles 518, BSF 226, others 233, Armed Forces 59, West Castles District 5, Southwest Castles Hills 0, Riboy District 55, West Gentile Hills District 16, East Gentile Hills District 17, West Garo Hills District 16, Southwest Garo Hills District 4, South Garo Hills District 2, East Garo Hills District 0, North Garo Hills District 0. Total recovered today, till today, the total recovered, there are 264. Kini gede ka jing perbena yau status jong COVID-19 apa ka state Meghalaya ke jungi mendagasngi ke bangi yo iki positive cases kelong arpu prangut arpu way na po East Castles Hills iway na po San na po Riboy but R na po West Gentile Hills District. Tikabang idon ki active cases adu benta rapo ka state kilong druspa lai fulai ki break up kilong gumni East Castles Hills kita sanspa kat pra nega sanspa kat pra BSF kilong arspa arpun riu ki others ki civilian kilong arspa lai fulai but ki armed forces kilong sanpo kendai. The Southwest Castles Hills West Castles Hills kalong San, Southwest Castles kalong 0, Riboy District kalong Sanpusan, West Gentile Hills District kalong Katenrio, East Gentile Hills District kalong Katenyo, West Garo Hills District kalong Katenrio, Southwest Garo Hills District kalong Sao, South Garo Hills District R, East Garo Hills District Umdani A, North Garo Hills District Umdani A. Tege total ke bar recover hadu mendagasngi kilong Arspa and Repusau. Ketiga, latest update on COVID-19 apa Meghalaya jungi.
So, do you have any question on this, or we will?
Toh, kebat yo mendagasngi kilong gumne lada ong yupi barok kilong arpu pra kana ki contact jong negrim kilong arngut. Nang tagi returnees kilong arngut. Iway the patient has civil hospital Shillong. Iway the high risk contact lab technician jong ba civil hospital. Nang arngut kini armed forces but kalangut BSF. Kini kidei ki kebanga ngi ke bagio mentasi arpu prangut. Te napa Riboy sangut kini armed forces. Na West Gentile Hills arngut kini returnees. This is the break up of the today positive cases in the state of Meghalaya. So we have total 28. East Castles for 2 from Negrim contact, 2 are returnees, 1 patient at civil hospital Shillong, 1 high-risk contact of lab technicians at civil hospital Shillong, 2 armed forces, 13 BSF, Riboy 5 all armed forces, West Gentile Hills District 2 are returnees. Ki sampel kiba lafa bantes hadu mendagasngi kilong laifu prahajar sanspa kan laifun riu. Tiga belas test negatif hadu mendagasngi kilong laifu nyo hajar sau. Kabangindang up po de ya resort hadu mentagasngi ya ki test borok kalong ruspa kandai fo. So the sample for testing which is already sent total till today they are 38,596. Those who have tested negative till today there are 37,004. And we are waiting for the result report till today there are 690. And the outsider, the entrants who are coming to state of Meghalaya, those are people from outside the state. Those are coming to our state till today, there are 24,925. Kini kita ki bawa na syabar jong state Meghalaya, hadu bendagasi ki balapoi ki long arsa hojar kendai spa ar pausan.
Okay, you clear? So, I'll go to another agenda. Then you can ask question. Friends, today, again in the review meeting, we discussed in detail about the report received from West Jaintia Hills District Veterinary Officer relating to the infection of pigs in Lamin village, Amlarem civil subdivision, from the disease which is known as African swine fever. African swine fever. We were informed this last few weeks about 15 pigs, 15 pigs were dead in that particular village, which is known as Lamin village. Receiving the report, the district veterinary officer along with his team went to the spot, and they also collected the samples of about 6 pigs, and these samples were sent to Northeastern Regional Disease Diagnostic Laboratory at Khanapara, Guwahati. And the report is still awaited. Because this report has to go first to the government of India, and once it is accepted, notification will come out to the state government. Therefore, till this moment, we can't say whether these pigs are infected with African swine fever or not. Once the report or the notification received from the government of India, I will get back to you. However, to make sure that the disease does not spread further to the neighboring villages and also to the state as a whole, necessary measures to prevent this kind of spread is already in place. 1. Disinfection of pig sheds along with injections. Number 2, meetings and seminars were held with the Rangbashnong headman and also with the concerned farmers, highlighting the threat of this disease. And also, we have advised those people staying nearby this locality, this village, not to slaughter pigs or not to consume pigs till we get the confirmation from the government of India. Kawai kabingi keren baha menta ka janmit haka review meeting lai beji hadin bangiyo yak report badon kisniang ki baklat hakini kitayau ki balaleno barok bat ngiyo jingtip bakum bakasan teli ai kisniang ki klat nakaliang jong ka office u district veterinary officer Juwai rengkat bat ka tim ke jongki kilalet syakane ke jaka ka bangitip kasnong lamin bat la shimru ya ki sampel na ki katu kane teli kisniang bat yakine ki sampel la pha syaka North Eastern Regional Disease Diagnostic Laboratory Khanapara Guwahati but ya ke report jong kini ki sampel ngidang ap hadu menta namar ya kane ke report hapha syaka sorkar India lada day bakalong negative nela kalong positive namar bangi suspect ka jingpang ka bapoy ha kasnong lamin na kabenta kisniang gadai ka bangi ong ka jingpang African swine fever Sengaw bahawat ia sutu bakla ka flu bat ka fever kaya per ka African swine fever te hadu menta ko mo pi ngidang ya up ia kata ka report ia ka result but ending layo ia kata na government of India ka sorkar kan sashim ka karai ka bakade banle nang ni syakmat den rai kum ka measures ki corrective measures ki preventive measures na kabenta banyada ya kejing sapriang une u suspected kanyang jingpang na kaliang jong ka veterinary department kiladon menta ha kanikesnong lamin bat kila monitor nang ta kilale ya kanika disinfection ki injection ya kitu ki wei pat kisniang bat kumju ki pelong ka meeting rengkat ru ka kenja workshop ka jing hikai ya kitu ki baris niang khnang bakin skautu kumno ban pikir na ka jing sapriang uta uknyang jingpang bad ha jo kapor ngi advice yaki bakis ngau baha yamenta sipor ban nom bam dos niang lane ban nom pat ot dos niang hadu bangin dayo ya ka report la kadei shisha kata ka fever ne kamdei ka fever kata kadei ka wei ka benta ka ba ngi yakren bat ka bangila airu shushu ya ka direction ya ka veterinary department rengkat ya ka district administration ba kin nangle ya ki kam nang ni syakmat. The second point that we discussed today, I think our DHS must have already briefed you about the decision taken in the last review meeting. The last review meeting we had, Health Department has given us the presentation in the last Friday I think, yes, has given us the presentation of the containment zone. Because I think all these days we do have the impact while declaring or notifying containment zone of the entire locality. It has impacted so much for the interest of the citizens or the residents of such locality. So therefore, in the last review meeting, we decided, after the health department presented us all the details, so we decided that now on, containment zone should be on the basis of micro micro containment area. It should not be for the entire block, the entire sub-locality, or the entire locality. So we decided that henceforth, micro containment zone or micro containment area will be declared or will be notified as the case arises. Kawai kabingi rai hakane ka review meeting kabladep. Hadin bangayo ya kajing ut, kajing nam, kajing kabaki kendu kitu kisnong kitau hak baper hadin balayo igini positive cases. Bang declare na kalian ke sorkar ka containment zone kabakentup teng ya kitu ki blok barok kawai lane ki sub locality barok kawai lane ke locality barok kawai lada kadon ka case kawai ar lene lai kakta sibon yakin nong song snong ha ki bakum kitu ki jaka te ban light yakane ke jing na kalian jok health department kila warra ya proposal bangin le no da kata micro containment zone lene containment area knang bakanum kata ya kiwe pat ki pajba nong song snong ha kitu ki jaka ha kitu ki snong ha kitu ki sub locality ha kitu ki block ki bayo ya ki positive cases nang ne sekmat bat kata kalong bangila adopt ya ke polisi bat kata ke polisi kalong ka micro containment zone lene micro containment area nang ni syakmat kata kedai kebenta kaba ar kabengile kren batru ya kanika instruction ngilapha syabro ki deputy commissioners syabro ki district surveillance units ba kinle ya kabadon kam anda don kino ki positive cases ha kino ki dong ha kino ki snong ha kino ki sub locality kata kadai kabenta kabaar kabengi keren ha kanika review meeting menta kajan meet bat kabakhandu kabengi keren lu. The third agenda that we discussed today in the review meeting is about creation of plasma bank. Creation of plasma bank. As far as creation or setting up of plasma bank, government is under active examination and also close consultation is being held with the authority of NECRIMS Hospital. Close examination consultation is still on, and once this process is completed, we will take a final call, and we will come back to you for the information of the citizens of the state. Hakabidai bat kane kajing tau lene kajing set up ya ka plasma bank kumale kiwe ki jela kumale kiwe ki state bener ya keren biang bat kajing keren kadang ya sekmat pengidang le ya kane ka examination ka consultation nama dia kane jointly ya keren rengkat bat kinong penyaj jong ka NECRIMS Hospital ban nga kremen scam ba slem shu lesing in poi syaka decision syaka bengin sim ya karai but anda ngilapoi syaka tak benta ngin sapoi biang syapi ban pentip ya ki pajba nong song snong jong ka jela ka jongi kine kidei kirai ki ba ni sim ha kanika review meeting jongi menta ka jan me teller pidon kono question you can ask question. ka flu, ka swine flu. Tenre kani ka data ka fever. Te ka bang ako aban ong ru kani ka swine fever. Kamde ka ba transmit siya ka human being. Kataruk de ka way kalong sengan namar kam transmit siya ki human being. Kat ba ka flu, ka swine flu bre kalong so risky namar ka transmit what siya do ki human being. Na kata daw mo pi bagi sim ni ka sample bat ni ong ye menta ngau bah wat pat bam kejing ong jungi wat pat bam menta ngimut ban ong ba wat bam dos niang shu ten rei kejing ong jungi kata ba wat pat bam kalong hadu bang niyo ya ka confirmation na po ka government of India.
Mas ko pa niyo ti ko ni sa ni very decision ba very containment zone even government na to arai adopt any policy control containment. Reni ba hadin lo government iwan pas kita nasional. Nomor kita nasional mentang lagi mesti ada penjara lah kacau containment. Ile lah kacau ibor lah kacau polsa. Untuk kini ka policy ba government ta kanum ya kontradik
pi boros kata namar manu na kiborsnong kibanum don kijing septing kijing smith tang syo ya katu ka positive cases baro ay kiborsnong bat nga skrutinat bagi borsnong kikit kia hadu kata tenrei hakaju kapor ya kan ngi malabat kang ka positive cases kat bompadon dawai kan mabha kat bompadon ke vaksin empat don manu kiri hakaportei kiban ong bangilala mentabat sumaria uni kunyang jingpang nakadaw simbet bahadu mentai empat don kanu kadawai bat hakanu kapor hakanu kasnong hakanu kadong let's sing in your beja ka positive cases day nakadaw pi ba hakane ka presentation ka ba ay nakaliang ka health department ngilai kren lut ki issue boro nakadaw kalong ba menta ki instruction ipa siya ka district administration ka district surveillance unit ki bor priya jo ka district ba yakane ka polisi ka bangi adopt ka bangi larai na kaleng ka sorkar ban pha siya ki bor snong ki bor thau bangin yetre rengkat kat kum kani ka polisi ka ba mangi la adopt la ni ka bangi na kaleng ka sorkar nglawan ra khanang ba kan like kanu ke jing ya kisnong gitau barok away tenaga daw ko mo pi kane kamkut tang nakaleng joko sarkar ya kane ka communication but la don kam ya ka kenja awareness nakaleng jong ti district administration tinang khot tinang ya slok susu bat ki borsnong ki borthau lani ki covid-19 management committee bakin sko thu shai kadar bangin hap nang ni chakmat ban yaj be kat kum kane ka policy bat kata kalong ka micro containment zone lain ka micro containment area.
Ibe, lalapat bagane di ayo para ikini sila. Kaya doon na kami. Tapi begini di profesor kita kalau over% ba. Hadu pa hajaga bukan sekarang itu Pak kan orang panik isu. Kalau over%
ngala jubam ne ngala ong pi nakara daw ka awareness ka meeting ka consultation kalong ongoing hakabaka district administration kit kle ya kani laki jong district ban ya share ki jimut ki berkat bat ki borsnong ki borthau khnang bangin namlong ting palak hadu kata hadu bateng-teng ka thut no penban ya ka kamai ka kaji lesi jong kinong song hakitu ki jaka ki area ki ba ngi declare kum ka containment zone le containment area
siko berarti ini international adopt mengenai policy bagi instruksi running bagi bagi nasional guru tidak ada policy itu lagi yang government
pi kabangidon ban ong kalong takan ni pej ngilayaya lengba mentalasan benaye rengkat bad une kunyang jingpang nilai sutu lut ue une kunyang jingpang dan kam syu ban batai dengan kabangamut banong kolomba habing layah kata benai kam dei ka badang sedang ngilayai kata benai ngang skopun ong ba ngilaya skop thulut baro bat nga kermen skem ngong pi ki ka jikit kle ki bors nong nga itnat hadu kata ki de kit kle ki du thia ki du dem sisa te nga ngej skem ru bahaka ni ka polisi ka batmai ka bangingi adopt ya ka ni ka micro containment zone bangin yayai rengkat bat ki bors nong bat ka to ka committee ka bangla set up hakleng saudong jong kejela ke jungi khnang bangin nempen snothu bakla ye ki pai ba no snong hala ijong isnong lani hala ijong kentoi
tôi là một quan trị lalu sedang iba saudara kelas dan kunjung dan Jepang yang kedua ini yang lagi yang saudari bahasa rumah kentok rumah saudara kafir dan kontrol yang ada COVID-19 ada di setiap ini. Tapi wabi dan apa wabi?
Ngaruh nakaliang jong ngayu I ketuka ka statement ka ba UMLA nang tena Shillong yu kap Shillong South uriak ba ka government hadin uang badem de tangataru uang ngamut ban ong ka MDE government uang badai ka health department jangan kuat benar tu ipi tang kawi. Pi bonsen syaban keren tu ada perkat. Deban perkat si spasin. Kenang bakanum kerto asladi. Balai ngali ong tanah marba. Kamdei tak health department ka batti ke decision. Kane ke responsibility kamdei ke jong bahek marwei. Kamdei ke jong ba prostun marwei. Le kane ke ka rai jogi ka government ni don ke review meeting man kesni. But ndai kata health minister, DHS ke officers POE bah bakilai ban aimen sem haman ka wei pagwe ke jaka ha ka wei po ke sno ha bangilai ban aimen sem kamut ban ong bapilai ra atat bat ke ege ngilai ban aimen sem khna magi priu kinum long panik nang ta ban ya trelang bat ki bor snong ki bor thau kata ka de ka kam ka ba nakaleng health minister badon burom jingi ule mdon suti mdon sniu blai uyai be tenga kwa ban ong ta ka wei ba kum kinomik mat ke bakit kle ngam tharai kan ba bangin syukren klem da perkhat yaki eke baro namar kane kannem itnat kam itnat ngani otobi lada pi ki pai ba ai ki pai ba kin bisa ka e ka kam ka bangile ka e ka kam ka bangitre ni persangkat bala hoi hakijing long breu ngau pi ngim ong bangilaw long perfect sispa na sispa ki diluna ke babon one table ajimut yang ka e ke baduna ka e ke batam khnang ba kumo pli bangila ban nang penjana ye kita rei da ka ba phile kumni ngatrai ka ba khadu ka purthai ka bastat e ba upai ba un bisar ka e ke badei bat ka e ke balai
budi kerja bukan maksud buat rumah sekolah tinggal lalu debet bagi mereka kan mereka itu berjalan kalau mau beri banyak positif tu melihat ayat dan bagaimana secara cakap kalau terkini di hadis tu kelak siau dia berbalik muncul dengan dapat tes mungkin kita itu macam apa benda di muka
bi hakbedei bat kajing slam nak mendakat testing ya kan yang like keren kan ka last week review meeting ijongi hak mengi ya keren bat mentang ngila improve ya kaneka testing capacity but ya testing ability nakaliang joki health workers bangin pentingna bakanam bampor palat dara biong ya wat ya ka atipis aru lani biong makana ka antigen test ru kadaw kolong pla sutu bai ka jia si senjia puk lapelong ba kaman power kadik issue ka ba ngiduna briu let's say ka bangi brush kata ngibu briu ong no chis pangut lei haki case ki bakum kini don kam laispa don kam sauspa ngimpat lah ban anticipate ye kita den rei ngong pi hakaneka last week ka bangi lai kren kalong ba ngila ong ru ya ka health department to anticipate pe kaman power la de pidon menta chispa la pisngo pedon kam sa sisan po nan di chispa pha ye ka proposal kanang ba nakale ka sarkar ngin le ye ka bedon kam namar bakum kolong menta ngong pi kaman power ngidon kam sibun ndaka benta ban ploy ki ke blokhoi nadu ka test, nadu ka report ru teng ka bampor. Telong kita ke kini kide ki issue ki ba ngong pi kam de ki issue ka bolong so serious. Kini ki issue ko long kham slem. Hoi kakta le se ye kitu bepli bab song sausni sansni. Tenrei kitu ki bade ki high risk. Mne dang sausni sansni ki siap ki song hadu ka sausni. Kata ke protokol. La dengan test maknaru ka sausni you have to be there inside. You have to be isolated totally. Telong kita ke ngopi, teleng ngopi ya kita ki issue. Na kalian jo government ngila aten ban ngai scam banang ne sekaman. Ya kaman pawa jongki health worker su ngiaban sim khia ba kanum don kaneka shortage man pawa ndaga benta nang ne sekaman.
Jadi kasih, saya yang akan bagi dapat dan di small area yang tadi. Nomor yang di staff ketika office yang itu, yang itu juga stage, nanti kalau kredit sih, kalau kredit kalau kata ini berapa dalam report itu, report itu. Kalau kita bisa buat, itu boleh tes, bisa boleh jemput, kita rekam.
PM ya kata rung ada penbek. Last week mentang labu in place ya ka ngila sim ka phone number, ka mobile number, but in sa ke WhatsApp. Ya kata kalau in place. Ladam pan yo ik report, ladam pan dep report kim pak message. Kabak message subuh menta laiski. Let's say mencisngi ya collection of samples. Te pak mencisngi siaka testing centers. Te menin rumpadio. Let's say menta kasngi rumpadio. Let's say la shay rumpadio. Let's say la shisngi janmet pio. Te the moment ni yo ikatu report. Kabamot katuk message. La kilong positif dan negatif kan point direct aka mobile jongki. Kata kade kabang ilap in place. Kladon menta system in place.
Simpan kita terus berpikir untuk mengejar di selangkah. Bagian itu terus berpikir dan berpikir sama tu, ofisar di bawah dan menjadi alat nanti ofis. Oh, yang bicara.
Dengan murah bisa. Kalau kita respon di kasilong ini, di kidon gitu, masuk bah, kilayo ya kami tes makan negatif, lalu mani, sampai kumta, kumong isam dan pihak syong hat sausi. Mentah ketua sertifikat ni habis janai. Ni haban pikni bahan akan numdan jeng baklan. Nama ketua sertifikat kau kira sekolah office kira pulang geleng. Tak kira ni haban dia janai itu. Ini minta ambil kita kesong lagi. Kita nak nomor kiki ban mi solution Tangi gitu kita balik tray kita balik gitu nong tray gitu ni ngiladap ya kata direction ya kata instruction. Bahaya kumi gitu kita ban fast track itu. Kita balik hamtua. Dari ya gini gigi bapak mau sementara kita ada boring ni bah hangno baduna beri minang pun. Jadi baik pengidang clear ya ketika testing center jungi populo. Maximum manpower karung hang tu. Kenang makin sok diberi kinum hablej hapan, kinum hapan hi lej syal. Te tanggo isa apa akan clarify dengan dia. Kidon gisno. Kanum itu kata. Habala lej ke bos man syal ada tip iki banwan. Dapat yang tu yang ngidang sum, ngidang le kunta, ngidang le kunta. Te kasih tambahayu ni driver buat apa tu? Tentang laki san, hap sesya. Kita orang ngidang bam jaswa, ngidang le jaswa, ngidang ni. Tentang kasih tahu. Tu bos hapan no. Wahap sekolah ke trip sekolah ke Jakarta. Kon hap isya bingki kami yang tak yang keding yura. Tentang nilai bagi kita pada lakan usian ya kita nilai sumber. Nilai yang keren kita nilai penbet kita. Nang ba kumno ban kan long renti ke komplek ke rukuman. Ceritang kita kejengnya.
So is the government contemplating to allow private hospitals to conduct testing for COVID-19? Because recently the High Court also has sought a report on this.
No, yes, they are free, but they are subjected to clearance from ICMR. They are free to do that. Why not?
Kawin penting sekali terhadap hasil ini dalam proses yang solusinya kantor belum secara di jujur dengan yang hubungan tertentu jika bagi head Borneo dan Spanish Syaki itu dia sudah kamu dalam kes itu karena itu Spanish.
Api kan notification ko mo pi namar kane issue na kaliang ka state government but kino ki organization pyong ki central ne pyong ki state ne pyong ki private they are bound to follow the protocols issued by the state government kata kadeka karukom nakaliang jong chief secretary ula don meeting nakapor but kini ki armed forces baro but kajing keren kalong kabasai kedar bak kidai ban pikir nak liang juki umdai shu ko mensua bomdon no kujang jepang to yale kad bamon ya yang kad bamon yale tet jingbam le tet jur jep karam rei mentang ong pi kajing keren nak liang ka state comment kalong ba makiru kiapan husiar nemutu wat ya kabam kadi katu kabajuya tet I individually telong kiru na ke organization juki ka bengi keren kolong ba kin sengau bahaban penbei let's say begin le hak style katu corrosion ka ba let's say le tet natan samlang pada yaki boro halaki jaka bagi syong kisa amar kini ki babu ni ki basa aki kampus la jong.
Today there was a media report that Meghalaya is among the worst states in COVID reporting as per the study of Stanford University. So are we reporting less COVID cases?
That is very wrong report. If you see on the report that the Meghalaya is the one of the lowest COVID in the whole state of India, according to the populations.
From where did you get the report?
It appeared in today's local newspapers.
No. Which report you got?
They have done a study. Stanford University has done a research on this.
Who's that?
It's a university, sir.
From where?
It appeared in today's paper.
No, but this university they are located where? So you don't know, why should we just take cognizance?
It's a report, sir.
No, see, people who's from England or from USA, how do they know about Meghalaya? How do they know? Or it is a fake? We should not just believe like that. Because as of now, officially even Government of India says that Meghalaya is so far, is still the best.
Among all the states.
Among the states in the whole nation. So this kind of report, I think you should not consider it as official. Okay. Api kane ya kane ka bank ka bengi keren kalong bang komong api kamut benong kamlong kum ke testing center kamde ye kum ka RT-PCR ka RT-PCR ngi sutu ba kalong don kam kerke la dalut kat balut ngi masih habat pulut tenrei kane ka bank kabalong more or less kum ka blood bank wala ngamde doktor ru renga sutu ba kalong kum ta ten na kata kadau balai bengi ong bengi long close consultation examination rengkat bat kene krims naman nya kalian kene krims su kidon kaju kejingmut wat na kene krims kidon kaju kejingmut ban create ka bank ka special bank na ka benta jongka jela bat ngam ta wat na ngam ta North Eastern State Barokawi tena kada ko mo pingi dang ya don kejing ya kejing keren kadang ya caca te haga bakadu ngam pingi sasim ke final call but hadin jong katangan sa pentip yabi kadang ba kipai ba no sosnong ke jela ketip okay to labiang deh ha ya kai ha okay Dr. Ridwan
em kadang ka study menta ko ong ba ladangi ishim ye gani ka sna ni separate kum ka plasma na kini ki bara got no covid ki antibodies ke bakidan maki kamot ya gani ka sna mantangi ya gani plasma ki transfuse haki bre ki badan jingpang covid which tamjur utu antibodies badan hakatu ka plasma unla banile na menta yang tu virus haktu ki bashtam jor ki bamla ban produce antibodies kata kata ki principle jong plasma Thank you.
Kamu tahu vaksin gitu?
Ambil vaksin. Vaksin tiga sedang ni ayu kenyang Jepang vaksin. Ni bu ayu kenyang Jepang.
Karena
aktivit itu antibody. Karena dia kedik nonton apa antibody.
Ngan batai mengakendiat perbamiatip. Ngan batai mengakendiat. Karena kalau tik kumba Islam. Ya kebeli gitu ke badot kam Islam, kelima Islam kumut yak no. Nak rakadau don kam ya ka Islam. Dai nam ne. Te yakan ne ke plasma ru kumut ke basim na kitu kibla ayo. Kenang bakan strengthen ni ketuk antibodies. Jong utu nongpang tanggung tal nongpang ko maong IDCS kalau baik gitu kibala sitom jur. Lesi kibadon ke ventilator. Laneha ka oksigen maybe. Dot kam ha kita. Nrei kini pada kiblong asymptomatic le te dot kam ke bani kren ei ketuk plasma. Okey?
Si mati hat ka shop ya ki doktor skin kamu kin decide. Uni uai badan kami ketuk plasma terapi. Asal lagi doktor in fact yano balong asymptomatic ne balong tamai symptomatic mereka balong immunocompromised but prevent negative complication ngilang ngan pa. Yang ini lagi belarang recover antibody sudah belarang recover.